Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining me today as we explore a pivotal shift in modern data architecture. Our session, titled The Data Singularity in Microsoft Fabric, focuses on a streamlined approach to data engineering and analysis. We will delve into the strategies for architecting high-performance, lightweight analytics pipelines by effectively utilizing Python Notebooks and DuckDB within the Fabric ecosystem. The goal is to demonstrate how you can achieve unprecedented speed and simplicity in your data workflows without the overhead of traditional, heavy-duty processing. Let's begin.
We are witnessing a fundamental paradigm shift in our approach to big data. For years, the big data era mandated complex cluster management and high JVM overhead as the price of admission for large-scale processing. These distributed architectures were once a necessity when data volumes routinely exceeded the limits of individual machines. However, the reality today has changed. Modern hardware has dramatically outpaced the growth of most analytical datasets, which often remain under 100 gigabytes. This leads us to what we call the data singularity. By leveraging modern CPU and RAM capacities on single nodes, we can achieve zero distribution overhead. The critical takeaway is that distributed computing is no longer the default requirement for modern data engineering.
Fabric Python notebooks are specifically designed for BI developers and data scientists who prioritize agility and rapid iteration over massive horizontal scaling. By offering native execution within a pure Python 3.10 or 3.11 environment, these notebooks eliminate the overhead typically associated with a Java virtual machine. Users will benefit from a live pool experience that provides an incredibly fast startup time of approximately 5 seconds. This performance is supported by an optimized resource footprint consisting of 2 vCores and 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring efficient compute power for your data science and business intelligence workflows.
DuckDB serves as a powerful analytical kernel designed to streamline data processing directly within your development environment. Its in-process architecture is a core differentiator, as it runs entirely within the Python kernel. This eliminates the need for external database servers and removes the network latency typically associated with client-server configurations. The system is built as a purpose-built analytical engine, employing columnar storage that is strictly optimized for OLAP workloads and complex aggregations. As illustrated in the diagram, it leverages vectorized execution for batch processing, allowing it to handle large datasets with exceptional efficiency. Furthermore, DuckDB is part of a pre-installed environment within Fabric Python notebooks. It is natively available alongside industry-standard libraries like Polars and Pandas, providing a robust, ready-to-use toolkit for high-performance data science and analytics.
The Spark-less synergy represents a high-performance alternative for data processing within the Microsoft Fabric ecosystem, specifically designed to bypass the overhead and cold start times often associated with Spark clusters. At the foundation of this architecture is OneLake, where data is stored in the open Delta Lake format. This ensures that the data remains accessible and compatible with a wide range of analytical tools. In the processing layer, we utilize Fabric Python notebooks integrated with DuckDB. DuckDB reads the Delta tables natively from OneLake using the Delta scan function. This allows for incredibly fast data manipulation and transformation directly within the notebook environment, using DuckDB's optimized vectorized SQL engine. The final stage involves handing the process data off to Polars or Pandas data frames for further analysis or visualization. This handoff is performed seamlessly via Apache Arrow, which enables zero memory duplication. By avoiding the need to copy data in memory, the transition between DuckDB and these data frame libraries is nearly instantaneous and highly efficient. This combined workflow provides a streamlined, instant-on developer experience for sophisticated data engineering tasks. This comparison pits DuckDB against Apache Spark to highlight their performance and architectural differences across several key categories. Starting with startup latency, DuckDB demonstrates rapid readiness at approximately 5 seconds using a live pool, while Spark can take minutes or around 30 seconds even with a cold start. In a query benchmark involving 83,000 rows, DuckDB executes in less than 1 second, whereas Spark takes roughly 4 seconds even when warm. These differences are rooted in their compute architectures.
DuckDB is a single-node in-process system, while Spark is designed for multi-node distributed environments. Consequently, DuckDB is the fastest and most cost-effective solution for datasets under 10 gigabytes. Spark remains the optimal choice for massive ETL tasks exceeding 100 gigabytes, though it comes with higher complexity involving JVM tuning and partitioning compared to the low-complexity pure Python and SQL experience offered by DuckDB. When selecting a data processing engine, the primary driver should be the volume of data you are handling. This slide outlines 3 distinct zones of performance and efficiency based on that volume. For datasets under 10 gigabytes, we enter the Agile zone. In this space, DuckDB and Polars dominate. These engines provide the fastest execution speeds and the lowest compute unit consumption, making them the ideal choice for rapid development and smaller production workloads. As we scale into the transition zone between 10 and 100 gigabytes, DuckDB remains highly competitive. However, at this volume, memory constraints become a significant factor. For instance, working within a 16 gigabyte RAM environment requires more careful query planning and optimization to maintain performance. Finally, for datasets exceeding 100 gigabytes, we reach the heavyweight zone. This is where the Spark native execution engine takes over. When dealing with hundreds of gigabytes or terabytes of data, the priorities shift toward fault tolerance, stability, and the necessity of horizontal scaling, which distributed systems like Spark are built to manage. By identifying which zone your workload falls into, you can choose the engine that offers the best balance of speed, cost, and reliability. To overcome the current limitation where DuckDB's native delta write capabilities are experimental, we implement a robust composable stack blueprint. We leverage DuckDB for what it does best: high-speed, in-memory compute. Once our processing is complete, we cast the resulting relations into the Apache Arrow format. This allows us to seamlessly pass the data to Delta RS or specialized community tools like Delta Export. These tools then handle the heavy lifting of writing Parquet files and generate transaction logs to ensure a reliable and stable integration back into OneLake. By using this multi-step workflow, we achieve the speed of DuckDB while maintaining the production-grade reliability required for Delta Lake environments. Architectural Pattern 1 explores the ad hoc disk cache, a strategy designed to optimize performance by bridging slow remote storage with fast local compute resources. On the left, we have OneLake acting as our remote storage, while on the right, we utilize a notebook SSD for local processing. The workflow begins with the parse phase, where SQLglot is employed to analyze SQL queries and extract the specific Delta tables required. Next, in the validate step, we verify OneLake metadata to confirm the Delta table version and ID, ensuring strict data consistency. Once validated, the process moves to cache, where we selectively pull only the necessary Parquet files over the network into the local notebook SSD. Finally, we reach the execute phase. Subsequent queries run entirely against the local SSD, achieving sub-second execution times. For resource efficiency, the cache data is automatically evicted once the session concludes. Architectural Pattern 2, known as DuckLake, introduces a specialized approach to managing data by utilizing SQLite 2 to store ACID metadata catalogs locally, while keeping raw Parquet data on OneLake. This configuration enables database-like transaction capabilities directly on top of a standard data lake. By using a unified query engine, we can bridge these two layers to ensure both consistency and performance. However, there is a significant caveat to this architecture. It is strictly a single-writer system. Because of the file-based locks inherent to SQLite, this pattern cannot support parallel pipeline runs or concurrent notebook writers. Consequently, DuckLake is best suited for isolated, single-user ELT tasks where high concurrency is not required. This workflow demonstrates how we integrate VS Code to bring software engineering rigor to data pipelines. We begin with local development using VS Code and the DB Code extension, which enables developers to write, test, and debug DuckDB pipelines locally with instant feedback. This approach eliminates the need for complex service principals during the initial development phase. Moving forward, code changes are committed to trigger GitHub Actions, initiating our CI/CD pipelines. This automation ensures consistency and reliability throughout the delivery process. The deployment phase utilizes the Fabric REST API, where a dedicated Python script executes deployment tasks using Azure CLI credentials.
Ultimately, the workflow results in a seamless deployment to the Fabric workspace production environment. As shown by the feedback loop, this integrated lifecycle supports continuous improvement, allowing data engineers to maintain high standards of code quality and operational excellence. Seamless reporting is made possible through the powerful synergy of Direct Lake and SemPy, effectively bridging the gap between data engineering and business intelligence. As illustrated, a data engineering stack featuring DuckDB and Polars integrates seamlessly with business intelligence tools like Power BI via Direct Lake. The critical link in this ecosystem is SemPy, which provides a unified semantic layer between these two domains. Zero-copy reporting is a fundamental advantage of this architecture. DuckDB outputs transformed Delta tables directly to OneLake, allowing Power BI to read these Parquet files instantly using Direct Lake mode. This process eliminates the need for data duplication and removes the latency typically associated with data imports, providing real-time insights without lag. Furthermore, semantic link integration allows for a sophisticated interplay between Python and Power BI. By using the SemPy library, data professionals can retrieve DAX measures, perform rigorous metric validation, and generate semantically enriched Fabric data frames directly within their notebooks. This ensures a single source of truth and a highly efficient, integrated reporting lifecycle. Security and governance are foundational to our architecture, ensuring that data access remains both robust and streamlined. First, Azure Entra ID is natively supported for DuckDB connections to external Azure SQL endpoints. This integration completely eliminates the need for legacy ODBC configurations, significantly simplifying the setup process. Next, Fabric notebooks utilize workspace-isolated tokens. These built-in, passwordless token providers are specifically scoped to the current user and their workspace, providing a secure, granular layer of protection. Finally, we enable frictionless access by allowing developers to fetch access tokens directly from their notebook sessions to query OneLake. This approach bypasses complex manual secret management, allowing teams to focus on development without compromising security. The Agile Data Studio architecture represents a synthesis of modern, high-performance tools designed to streamline the end-to-end data lifecycle. It begins with development in VS Code, integrated with Git, ensuring a robust and version-controlled environment for code authorship. For processing, we utilize Fabric Python Notebooks, leveraging DuckDB and Polars. These engines provide incredibly fast, lightweight compute capabilities that handle significant workloads without the complexity of traditional distributed systems. By incorporating Delta RS, we ensure efficient, high-performance reading and writing to Delta tables. This data is centralized within OneLake, stored as Parquet files with accompanying Delta logs. The architecture culminates in Power BI, where Direct Lake mode allows for seamless, real-time reporting directly from the storage layer. This approach creates a unified, agile data ecosystem that offers the power of heavyweight distributed architectures while significantly reducing operational costs and architectural complexity. The future of the Agile Data Studio is built upon three strategic pillars designed to modernize the data engineering workflow. First, we must focus on right-sizing our compute. By adopting the data singularity mindset, we acknowledge that 90% of daily analytical workloads can fit comfortably on a single 16-gigabyte node. Utilizing Python and DuckDB allows us to process these workloads efficiently without the unnecessary overhead of massive distributed clusters. Second, we are moving away from monolithic solutions to embrace composable stacks. Rather than waiting for all-encompassing platforms, we combine the most powerful open-source tools available. This modular approach utilizes DuckDB for compute, Polars for high-performance data frames, and Delta RS for reliable storage, ensuring our architecture remains both flexible and cutting-edge. Finally, we bridge the gap between local environments and the cloud. By leveraging VS Code, Git integrations, and Microsoft Fabric's REST API, we bring true software engineering rigor to our modern data pipelines. This connectivity ensures that local development and innovation are seamlessly integrated into production-ready cloud infrastructure.